In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google AdSense to your Hostinger website step by step. If you've built your site on Hostinger and you're ready to start monetizing your traffic, this guide will walk you through the entire process, from signing up for AdSense to placing the ad code correctly on your website. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps that could delay your approval or prevent ads from showing properly. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website and monetization tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1 is signing up for Google AdSense. Open your browser and go to google.com/AdSense. Once you're there, click on Get Started and sign in using your Google account. It's always best to use the same Google account you plan to manage your website and earnings with. After signing in, you'll be asked to enter your website URL. Make sure you type your full domain correctly, including HTTPS if applicable. Then you'll add your payment details and personal information. Take your time here and ensure everything is accurate, because this information will be used for verification and payouts. After submitting your application, Google will review your website. This review process can take a few days, sometimes longer depending on traffic and compliance. During this time, make sure your website has original content, essential pages like privacy policy and contact, and follow all AdSense program policies. Once your site is approved, move on to step 2, which is getting your AdSense ad code. Log in to your AdSense dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Ads, then choose By Ad Unit. Here you can create a new ad unit. Select the type of ad you want, such as display ads, and customize the settings if needed. In most cases, the default settings work perfectly fine. After creating the ad unit, Google will generate an HTML code snippet for you. This is the code you need to copy. Click Copy Code and keep it ready because we'll paste it into Hostinger in the next step. Now let's move to step 3, adding the AdSense code to your Hostinger website. Log into your Hostinger account and open your website builder. Once inside the editor, navigate to the page where you want the ad to appear. This could be your homepage, sidebar, blog posts, or footer, depending on your layout. Look for the option to add a new element and choose the Custom Code or HTML block. Drag and drop it into the section where you want the advertisement to display. Click on the block, paste the AdSense HTML code you copied earlier, and then save your changes. Make sure you update or publish the website so the changes go live. If you're using Hostinger's Builder, publishing is essential or the ad won't appear on the live site. Finally, step 4 is verifying and publishing. After you've added the code and published your site, it may take up to 30 minutes for ads to start appearing. In some cases, it can take a few hours. Don't worry if you don't see ads immediately. Google's system needs time to crawl your site and activate the ad unit. If ads still don't show after some time, double-check that the code was pasted correctly and that your site complies with AdSense policies. Also ensure there are no script blockers or layout issues preventing the ad from loading. And that's it. You've successfully added Google AdSense to your Hostinger website and taken the first step toward monetizing your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and online income guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.